What's going on, everybody? It's the Creative Fro checking back in for another episode of What I Wish I Knew Wednesday. And today, what I wanted to talk to everybody about is going live. More specifically this time, how to go live on YouTube. Before I tell you what I wish I knew, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button if you have yet to already, and also turn that notification bell on just for fun. So a reason why I wish I knew about going live is because this is a great way to grow your social media pages. I'll show you how you can start a live stream from your mobile device using YouTube. So jump into the YouTube app. So now once you have opened up your YouTube account, you can hit the camera button at the top right. It's gonna bring up your camera roll, and you're gonna have a record button on the left and the go live button on the right. So we're gonna hit go live, and now you're gonna be prompted to create a title and set it to public or unlisted. And you can add the location, which does help your video rank a little bit higher on social media platforms when you do add the location. And also another thing I'd recommend here is actually writing a description in your notepads on your notes, and then that way when it comes time to the live video, you can just copy and paste this and then hit next. So you can pose for the thumbnail if you want. If you like that, you can hit go live, but if you want to redo it or upload a custom one, you hit the pen button at the top right. It's going to give you edit setting, retake thumbnail, upload. And this could be a good option if you take the photo ahead of time and edit it on Photoshop. Then you can airdrop it back to your phone and choose upload thumbnail here. You could choose that thumbnail that you edited from Photoshop. So that's all that it takes to go live on YouTube through your mobile device. The only other thing I'll suggest to everybody is making sure you do an internet speed test before you start your live stream to ensure that your upload speed is at least 5 megabytes per second for the highest quality. Yesterday we had about 1 and it still came out with decent quality. So if we had 4 more, I think it could be even better. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like if you did, comment down below if there's anything you wish you knew, and share this video if you think it could help somebody. It's a Creative Fro, and it's time to go live.